This study is a subgroup of the Isatuximab Pomdex versus Pomdex trial, the Icaria trial, which has been published previously. In this study, patients with more than 2 previous lines of treatment were randomized between Isatuximab Pomdex and Pomdex. And this study has led to the approval of Isatuximab Pomdex in both Europe and US. In the main study, the main endpoint was progression-free survival, and it was a very positive study with 11.4 versus 4.5 months of progression-free survival. So in this trial, we have looked at, in this poster, we have looked at the frail patients, defined by a score I will maybe get back to here. And looked at how they benefited from this treatment versus the patients that are fit and intermediate patients. Yeah, one of the main questions has been how do you define frailty? Because as we mentioned in the poster, this frailty was not something that was analyzed prospectively in the patient. It was not done by performing a frailty test or a Charlson comorbidity index or something like that. But as IMWG has done before, we've used a modified frailty index where we use 3 parameters that are collected in the study and use them to define a frailty score. And this was one of them was age, where patients were divided into 3 groups with under 75, 75 to